Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 31st of December 2024. In today's top renewable energy news, Australis Energy, who was behind a contentious plan to build an offshore wind farm in South Australia, quietly pulled the plug on the project a few days ago. An application for the $2 billion Kingston offshore wind farm was withdrawn without explanation from review by federal environmental regulators. This is the second major offshore wind farm to withdraw their planning application in December after Skyborn Renewables also stopped the review for a Western Australian project. Researchers at the University of Kansas have been working on a new method to recycle carbon fiber used in wind turbine blades. This new carbon fiber recycling process almost fully recovers the carbon fibers using a chemical method involving high pressure and temperature where an engineered fungi converts benzoic acid to an octatrienoic acid. The polymer matrix is dissolved and stripped away from the woven carbon fibers, which retained 97% of the tensile strength of the original material. The U.S. Federal Energy Regulatory Commission has given the thumbs up to the proposed $6.2 billion acquisition of energy company Allete by Canada Pension Plan, Investment Board, and Global Infrastructure Partners. Under a deal agreed in May, CPP Investments and GIP will pay $67 per share in cash to buy all outstanding common shares of Allete and take it private. The proposed cash price also includes the assumption of the energy group's debt. A new renewable energy certificate system will soon be introduced to encourage the growth of renewable energy and support manufacturing factories through boosting competitiveness and enhancing market access of Cambodia's manufacturing sector in the global market. The REC system provides a practical and transparent pathway for business to support Cambodia's renewable energy transition while meeting the growing demand for sustainable practices in global markets, said Keo Rattantek, Minister of Mines and Energy. Costa Rica begins 2025 with an optimistic outlook for renewable energy, particularly solar energy. The combination of regulatory stability, public and private sector initiatives, and the interest of cooperatives and distributors in generation projects would be the main drivers of change in the coming months. The impact of the El Niño phenomenon has encouraged the government and the Costa Rican Electricity Institute to promote competitions to contract energy from new non-conventional renewable energy plants, such as wind and solar. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.